Hi, I'm also a Chan Kwabena, and I work with the Charger Installation and Maintenance Department. Charger Installation and Maintenance Department, we install chargers and also offer day-to-day maintenance with the chargers that we have installed for clients. With the chargers, we have travel chargers and we have home chargers. And under the travel chargers, we have the Type 1 travel charger, and under the home chargers, we have the Type 2 Level 2 home charger and the Type 2 Level 3 home charger. With the Type 1 charger, the Type 1 charger supplies 3.3 kilowatts to the charger, or from the charger to the car. And with this one, it takes about 12 hours to get a full charge. That is from a 20% depth of discharge to 100%. And with the Type 2 Level 2 charger, the Type 2 Level 2 charger takes 6 to 8 hours for you to get a full charge, of which it supplies 32 amps to the car. And with the Type 2 Level 3 charger, it supplies 48 amps to the car and takes roughly 3 to 5 hours for you to get a full charge. So to charge your vehicle using a 32 amps home charger, it takes from 6 to 8 hours for you to get a full charge. When the battery is at 20%, the state of the battery is at 20% and you want to charge it to 100%, it takes you roughly 6 to 8 hours for you to get a full charge. If you are using a 48 amps charger, it will take you roughly 3 to 5 hours for you to get a full charge. Yes, and it also depends on the onboard charger of the car. The onboard charger regulates the current that the charger supplies to the car, and also determines the amount of current that is also going to accept for that full charge to be achieved within a specific period of time. With the charging speed of your vehicle, it depends on the voltage at the premises. If you have roughly a 230 volts, your car is going to charge faster compared to a voltage of 203 or 200 volts or anything lesser than 200 volts. It's going to take a longer or extended period of time for you to get a full charge compared to 230 volts to 240 volts. Dealing with how often you have to charge your electric vehicle, it depends on how often you use the car. If you have a car with a range of 300 kilometers and you use the car and you go to all the kilometer range allocated per particular charge, then you have to charge your car. But if you use about just 50 kilometers, then you don't have to charge your car after just using it. That is, if you use 50 kilometers on a daily basis, it can take you 2 to 3 days or 4 days for you to charge your car a day. But if you consume all the 300 kilometers or close to all the 300 kilometers a day, then surely you have to charge your car on a daily basis.